Rolling an option doesn't actually save your trade. It mathematically guarantees you take a realized loss instantly. Most traders think rolling is a magic erase button, but it's actually two distinct transactions disguised as one. You are closing your losing position to realize a permanent loss, then immediately opening a risky new position just to feel better. The broker shows you a net credit, making you feel like a winner. But here is the trap. You are often doubling your duration risk just to make back the money you just lost. When you roll out in time, you fight against the physics of options decay. Look at this curve. Near-term options decay fast, but the further out you roll, the slower the decay becomes, locking up your capital for diminishing returns. However, rolling up or down can save you if done defensively. If your put is challenged, don't just sit there. Roll your call down aggressively to collect more premium and reduce the net delta of the trade. Here is the golden rule. Never roll just to avoid a loss. Only execute the roll if the new position meets your strict entry criteria today. If you wouldn't open the trade fresh, don't roll into it. Don't marry your losing trades. Cut them loose.